Running a Shopify store is exciting. Until the first order comes in, you feel like you're not sure what to do next. We all been there. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to fulfill orders on Shopify, whether you're selling your own stock or drop shipping from a supplier. By the end, you will know exactly what to do from the moment that the sales hit your inbox all the way to shipping to your buyer, all right? So let's not waste time and jump right into it. So the first thing that you will receive when you get a new order in your Shopify store is a happy email notification showing you exactly what was sold, okay? It looks like something like this. Now, next, you'll need to go to your Shopify backend, and then you will notice a number next to the orders tab. That means that you have a new order waiting to be processed. And then what you do is you just click here on the orders section, okay? And then you will see the new order listed right there. Now, before doing anything, just make sure that the order status is marked as paid, not payment processing, okay, or anything similar to that, just to ensure that the payment went through. And then once everything looks good and the payment is marked as paid, then you click the order to start fulfilling it, okay? And then on the order page, you'll see the buyer's shipping address and all the order details. Now that you have both the product that was bought and the customer's address, the next steps depend on your business model. Now, if you're selling your own stock or private label products, the process is quite simple, okay? You or your warehouse team just need to pack and ship the order within the time frame stated in your shipping policy, correct? And then once it's shipped, you will need to add the tracking number to the order. And I'm going to show you how you can do that shortly, okay? Alternatively, you can buy a shipping label directly from Shopify. Simply click here like create shipping label, and then here you can choose the label that best fits the shipping method that your buyer selected. And then what you do is you just pay for it through Shopify, and then you just attach this to the package, and that's it. This is often cheaper than handling shipping in front of the post office. And once you buy the label, like Shopify automatically updates the tracking details for the order. So it's quite cool. Now, for dropshippers, we have dropshippers in the house. Okay, if you're dropshippers, it can be divided into two ways. Okay, so if you're a dropshipper, they use automation software that processes order automatically, and then you simply make sure that the order was successfully placed and that the supplier confirmed it. And once that happens, the tracking number should automatically sync to your Shopify order. If you're fulfilling orders manually, here's what to do, all right? Let me show you. So what happens is like this. You go to your supplier's website, okay? And then you navigate to the product page, and then you click Buy Now, correct? And then in the shipping address section, what you do, you just simply paste your buyer's address, okay, from the Shopify order page. And then that's it. You just complete the checkout and pay for the order. After your supplier ships the product you placed manually, you will receive a shipping confirmation email. This is the final and most important step of the order fulfillment. So you find the order from the supplier you fulfill the product from, and then you click Order Details, okay? And then track order to copy the tracking number. This is very important. And after that, after you have the tracking number information from your supplier, you just return to the Shopify page, to the Shopify order page, and then you click Mark as Fulfilled. And then you paste the tracking number and the shipping carrier information right there. And before finishing, just make sure to check the box that says Send Notification to Customer. Why? Well, because this ensures your buyer automatically receives an email with their tracking information. And then if you don't have a shipping notification template yet, you can easily create one by clicking Send a Notification to the Customer, and then you can design a simple branded email. It's quite simple. All right. And that's it, my friends. You now know how to fulfill Shopify orders step by step. Whether you're selling your own stock or private label products or running a drop shipping store, with or without automation software. And once you follow these steps, your customers will stay informed, all right, which is very important. Your operations will stay smooth and your store will look professional, all right? Just ready for more sales. Anyway, if you like this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I really appreciate it, okay? We're almost on the 100,000 subscribers mark, so that would be really cool if you could help. And also it's because, you know, we always put new step-by-step guides like this one, okay? And also if you want to step up your product research just like to the next level, you know, finding profitable trending products backed by real data and not guesswork, you can try Zik Analytics today. Try it, you know, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Keep moving forward and I'll see you next time.